Watch this video and learn how to draw a butterfly. Later on in the show, there's a song break, and stay tuned to the end to see Mikey and Betty in a cartoon break. Okay, is everybody ready? It's time for Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artists!
Hi Artie, hi little artists.
Yeah.
You seem happy.
Oh, Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
You know what we can do?
Yeah?
A drawing!
Okay. Woo! Yeah.
Wow, look at all the little artists that are here today.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
The pleasure is all mine.
Artie,
Yeah?
I know what we can draw today.
Okay.
Let's draw a butterfly.
Wow, that's going to be really good.
It sure will.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Okay,
Come on, let's start.
let's begin.
Let's start by drawing the eyes of our butterfly. We'll start with the left eye towards the top of the page, more or less in the middle, perhaps just a little bit to the left. That's it, a nice circle. And then draw a smaller circle inside and shade it in all the way black. We can watch butterflies on YouTube later if you want, Artie.
Oh, yes, please.
Okay,
Wow, yes, please. Thank you.
of course. Me and Artie love to watch butterflies and birds and sometimes even squirrels on YouTube. That's the second eye drawn. Good job, Artie. Now draw the middle circle shaded in black.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
Draw a nice smiley mouth underneath the eyes, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. That was a great tip. Now, Artie, let's draw the head of our butterfly. Draw a curve on the left side.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
Me too, Betty.
Continue that curve up to the eyes. That's it. And then another curve on the right side, coming down from the eye all the way over towards the chin. It reminds me of someone. It looks a bit like you, Artie, if you didn't have hair. Well, not really, I suppose. Now let's draw the body of our butterfly. A big curved line coming down from the head on the left side, and another one on the right side. Connect them together at the bottom. Very good, Artie.
Betty, I love your earrings.
Oh, thank you for noticing. They're from a local artist.
Oh.
Let's draw some stripes down the body of our butterfly. Little curved lines coming all the way down the body. Space them out nice and equally if you can. You seem to be really enjoying this drawing, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's really having fun. Thank you.
Well, thank you. We're having fun watching you as well. Okay, I think it's time that we draw our butterfly's wings. After all, that's what butterflies are most famous for. Let's draw a big wing on the right side to fill in all that space on the right side of the page.
Hello, Artie! Did you miss me?
Yeah?
Ooh, you always draw the cutest things. Makes me smile.
Thank you.
Bunny kisses and carrot wishes. Bye!
Bunny kisses.
Artie, that's not nice. He was only being sweet. Let's draw a big, long, skinny arm coming from the side of our caterpillar's body all the way across the wings. Oh, and some little hands on the end. Very good, Artie.
Artie thinks we should have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah,
Okay, why don't we do just that?
okay. Song break.
Skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, what'll I do? Cats in the cream jar, what'll I do? Cats in the cream jar, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, skip to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Cows in the cornfield, 2 by 2. Cows in the cornfield, 2 by 2. Cows in the cornfield, 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It sure was.
Yeah. Oh, Artie loves a song break.
So do I.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the
Yeah.
drawing?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's draw the wing on the left side. Try and make it match the one on the right side as best as you can. Coming up later, it's a cartoon break with Betty and Mikey. You know, butterflies don't really have arms and hands, Artie.
Wow. Oh, I didn't know. Wow.
But they do have wings. So we're just really putting the arms in just for fun to make the drawing more fun. That's the great thing about art. There are no rules. You can give your butterfly arms. Heck, if you want, you can give him 6 arms. It doesn't matter.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's finish that right wing, Artie.
What a lovely day. Oh, well, it was. Painty's coming. Oh.
Painty! Now I'm going to have to clean that paint up. What a mess. Ugh, Painty always makes such a mess. Anyway, Artie, let's give our butterfly some legs. We may as well. He's got arms. Let's give him legs as well.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Ooh, this is so inspiring.
Oh, thank you.
Makes me want to hop over and draw something too.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Well, that was a little bit awkward. I think she really likes you, Artie. It's just a hunch I have.
No.
Yeah, I really think she likes you, you know. You should be nice to her.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's good. I'm pleased you're going to be nice to her. Now let's draw some circles inside the wings of our butterfly. We'll draw circles coming all the way round the outside of the wing.
What incredible art!
Great job, buddy.
Thank you, Mikey.
Betty and Mikey are always so nice, aren't they, Artie?
Yeah.
Couple more circles and the left side will be done.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Okay, why not?
Yay! Cartoon break. Cartoon break.
Run along then.
Mikey, look. It's one of my favorite artists, Claude Monet.
Where? I don't see him.
No, Mikey, this is his painting, Water Lilies.
If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream, ah!
No, Mikey, this painting is a pond in France. There aren't any crocodiles in France, silly.
I did not know that. Learning at the art gallery.
That's right, Mikey. Let's move to the next room. This is more your speed, I believe, Mikey.
This is an amazing painting.
It's called A Friend in Need, and it's an American artist.
Look at all the dogs. They're playing cards. And I think that one's cheating.
Yes, indeed. Should we move on?
No, Betty. This is my favorite painting of all time. Let's stay.
I don't doubt it is. Come along. Mikey, this is a Kandinsky,
A hooski?
a Russian painter, Mikey.
Oh, okay, Ski.
Do you like the colors and the brush strokes?
I do, and it looks like something I could try when I get home.
Well, let's go grab a cup of tea, then we'll head home ski.
Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
It sure was.
Yeah.
Should we carry on and finish the drawing?
Okay. Yeah. Cartoon break.
Okay, come on, back to the drawing. Now we have to match the right side with the left side, so that means we have to draw all those little circles coming down the right wing. Now, how many do you have on the left? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the top section. So you've drawn 3. We need one more, Artie, in the top section. That's it.
I think I love Artie.
Wow, Bunny. I mean, we all love Artie. Okay, that's all the circles drawn. Now, what can we do in the... Oh, I see what you're doing, Artie. Oh, that's nice. A nice little sort of oval shape. Artie, do you think you should send Bunny some flowers? It was very nice that she said she thinks she loves you.
No. No. No.
Well, okay, it was only a suggestion. It'd be a nice gesture. Nice little bunch of flowers. Oh, I know, Artie. Maybe you can give her this drawing when you finished it. That would be nice.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Bunny Fluffington would really like this drawing.
Wow, that's amazing.
So impressive!
Did you know, Artie, that butterflies have sort of little sticks coming out of the top of their heads, and they're called feelers? It helps them sense what's around. Let's draw some feelers on the top of our butterfly's head. Yes, draw a little spiral shape coming to the eye. That's perfect, Artie. Can you do one on the right side as well? Nice big spiral at the end. Oh, that's looking pretty finished, Artie.
I finished.
It looks great, but it needs something else.
I want to color it in.
Of course.
Yeah.
It needs colour.
Yay. Yeah.
It's coloring time!
Wow, that was hard work.
Yeah. Oh, lots of work. Oh, Artie's very tired now. Artie needs nap. Yeah.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Bye, Artie. That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on the Artie Show. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye.